Hello and welcome to the episode 10 of PyTorch Code Deep Dive. In the last episode, I showed you how the module state is managed. Today, I will show what happens when accessing collections of modules attributes. If you find presented content useful, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. I'm using the same network as in the previous episode, with two submodules, custom parameters, and buffer. I already created network object, and I will iterate now over named children of the module. Named children returns generator. It iterates over the direct submodules of this module and yields existing modules along with its names. The modules are stored in the set, so each module is returned only once. We have two direct submodules, linear layer and sequential, so this output is what we have expected. There's a variant of this function called children. This is a variant that delegates to named children, but yields only module. Let's deep dive into named modules. This is another generator method, and this method starts by declaring memo set if not passed as an argument. Unless we want duplicates to be returned, this set is used to track returned modules. As a first step, method returns self with the passed prefix. Then it iterates over all direct submodules, and for any that's not none, it builds the prefix from its name and recursively call the method on submodule. Linear layer contains no submodules. However, sequential module is a container. It's called with existing memo set. All the direct modules in sequential container are iterated. In this case, prefix is linear ReLU stack, and the name is 0 for the first element in the sequence. We see all named modules displayed, including the nested ones. The alternative method modules delegates to named modules and yields all modules only, including the nested ones. The next method is named parameters. While this is yet another generator, this is implemented on top of named members. Named member takes callable as a first argument that will return all parameters of the module. This one also starts with memo. It obtains all named modules first, included nested ones. For each module, it invokes callable that obtains parameters of this module. For this module, it contains custom parameters attribute. This will be returned along with the name. For the nested linear layer in linear ReLU stack, we have weight and bias parameter. These are returned as well. As for the other methods, the variant that returns parameter only exists as well and is implemented as a delegation to the named variant. The same method exists for buffers, but I will skip it as there is nothing new and interesting down here. Let's use getSubmodule to obtain module by name. I will use nested submodule of sequential object. The target name is split at point character to form attribute names at each level of nesting. This method iterates from top to the bottom. If module has no attribute matching the name, attribute error is raised. Then nested submodule is retrieved. It's repeated until all items in the target are processed. This method works only with modules. We cannot retrieve other nested attributes of the module. At the end, linear layer is returned. The other important method is getParameter. Let's deep dive into it. This time, target is split into module path and parameter name. The submodule is retrieved first using previously shown function. If module has no attribute of the given name, AttributeError is thrown. Otherwise, parameter is retrieved using custom getAttribute method. You can see the details in my previous episode. If obtained value is not parameter, AttributeError is raised. As we can see, printed return value is parameter as expected. The last thing I will show is applying custom function to the module. I will define applyToModule function that accepts single module parameter. When calling apply on the module, the function iterates over all children, so direct modules, and for each invokes itself recursively. After iteration is done, it calls past function with itself as a parameter. This way we can run custom logic on all of the submodules, starting from the most nested ones. In this video, I explained how accessing collection of modules attributes works. Now you know. In the next video, I will show how forward method works. If you like this video, make sure to press like button and subscribe. I hope my content will help you creating something great. Thanks for watching.